When selecting an industrial pump, one of the most important decisions is whether to choose a stock pump or a made-to-order pump. At first glance, they may seem similar. After all, both are designed to move liquids from one place to another. But in reality, the differences between these two options can affect everything from project timelines and operating costs to energy efficiency and long-term reliability. So, which one is right for your application? In this video, we'll break down the differences between stock pumps and made-to-order pumps, including delivery time, customization, cost, performance, and ideal applications. Let's get started. First, what is a stock pump? A stock pump is a standard pump model that has already been manufactured and stored in inventory. These pumps are ready for immediate shipment and are designed for common industrial applications. Typical stock pumps include end suction pumps, split case pumps, multistage pumps, submersible sewage pumps, and standard slurry pumps. The biggest advantage of stock pumps is speed. Because they are already available in the warehouse, they can often be delivered within days. This makes them ideal for emergency replacements, plant shutdowns, or projects with tight deadlines. Stock pumps are also more affordable upfront because they are mass-produced using standardized components. Another major benefit is spare parts availability. Since these pumps use common designs and components, maintenance and repairs are usually faster and easier. However, stock pumps also have limitations. They are built with fixed specifications, which means customization options are limited. If your system requires special materials, unusual operating conditions, or highly specific performance parameters, a standard stock pump may not be the best solution. Now let's talk about made-to-order pumps. A made-to-order pump is designed and manufactured specifically for the customer's application. Instead of selecting from existing inventory, the manufacturer customizes the pump according to technical requirements such as flow rate, head pressure, liquid properties, temperature, corrosion resistance, motor configuration, and installation environment. These pumps are commonly used in demanding industries such as mining, chemical processing, oil and gas, power generation, and heavy industrial applications. The biggest advantage of made-to-order pumps is customization. Every component can be optimized for the operating conditions. This includes specialized impellers, high-chrome materials, stainless steel construction, explosion-proof motors, custom sealing systems, and advanced control options. Because the pump is engineered specifically for the application, performance and efficiency are usually much better compared to standard stock pumps. This can reduce energy consumption, minimize vibration, lower maintenance costs, and improve long-term reliability. But custom engineering comes with trade-offs. Made-to-order pumps require additional design, production, and testing time. Lead times can range from several weeks to several months depending on the complexity of the project. The upfront cost is also higher because of engineering labor, specialized materials, and custom manufacturing processes. So now the question becomes, which option should you choose? If your application is standard and you need fast delivery, a stock pump is often the best choice. For example, if you need a replacement pump immediately to keep operations running, waiting several months for a custom solution may not be practical. Stock pumps are also ideal for general water transfer, HVAC systems, irrigation, commercial buildings, and other common applications. On the other hand, if your system has unique operating requirements, a made-to-order pump may provide much better long-term value. For example, in mining operations handling abrasive slurry, or chemical plants dealing with corrosive liquids, a standard pump may fail quickly or operate inefficiently. In those situations, a custom-engineered pump can significantly improve service life and reduce downtime. Another important factor is energy efficiency. Many industrial facilities focus only on the purchase price of the pump. But the reality is that energy consumption often represents the largest operating cost over the life of the equipment. A properly engineered made-to-order pump can sometimes save thousands of dollars annually in electricity costs simply because it operates closer to the system's optimal efficiency point. There is also a middle ground solution called a modified stock pump. This approach uses a standard pump platform combined with selected custom features such as upgraded motors, alternative seals, special coatings, or modified impellers. For many industrial users, this provides a good balance between delivery speed, customization, and cost. Before making a final decision, there are several important questions you should ask. What flow rate does your system require? What is the total dynamic head? What type of liquid are you pumping? Is the liquid corrosive, abrasive, or high temperature? How important is energy efficiency? What are your maintenance requirements? And finally, how critical is delivery time? Answering these questions will help determine whether a stock pump or a made-to-order pump is the better solution for your operation. In the end, there is no universal answer. Stock pumps are excellent for fast delivery, lower upfront costs, and standard industrial applications. Made-to-order pumps are ideal for specialized systems where performance, reliability, and efficiency are critical. The best choice depends entirely on your operating conditions, project timeline, and long-term business goals. A properly selected pump does much more than move liquid. It improves efficiency, reduces downtime, lowers operating costs, and increases the overall reliability of your system. That's why working with an experienced pump manufacturer or engineering team is so important. They can help you evaluate your application and choose the solution that delivers the best long-term value. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more industrial pump insights and engineering content.